How to rotate screen on Windows 10. For the first method, go to your desktop and right-click anywhere on an empty area. Then click on Display Settings. If you're unable to right-click, simply click on the search bar, type Display Settings, and open it. Now this menu is located under System, Display. Once you're here, scroll down until you see Display Orientation. Click on the drop-down menu beside it. By default, it will be set to Landscape. You can change it to Portrait, Landscape Flipped, or Portrait Flipped, depending on how you want your screen to rotate. After selecting an option, Windows will ask if you want to keep the changes. Click Keep Changes if you like the new screen orientation, or click Revert to go back. That's it. This is how you can rotate your screen in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.